Hello everyone, we are in a 2017 Toyota Sienna, and I found something really outrageous today. So here's the air freshener from the Brown Bear car wash, and it was hanging in here, and unfortunately it looks like it has significantly deteriorated the car leathery plastic here. And well, it does say contact with plastic or leather may cause damage, hang freely, but it wasn't used in that way. And unfortunately, this is a low mileage car, but now we got to do something about it. So first thing you want to do is to throw away the freshener that caused damage to the car interior. And what you will need is a prying tool. Gotta be very careful if you want to replace the whole panel here, because there are several tabs behind it that would fracture. So I'll just go ahead and pry away this panel. You can start from here. I actually have already done it, so you can see that I could pry it carefully. So these are the areas that just come off all around, and basically the most sensitive part is that bezel on the top. So this is prone to fracture. Please be careful as you take this part off. Again, you are using a prier or a screwdriver, but be careful with a flat screwdriver. It may be just too narrow and too thick. So this last one, you want to make sure that you're supporting it with your hand to take it off. And once you have released everywhere, all the tabs, then it can easily come off. Once it does come off, there is only one wire attaching it. So you'd go and disconnect that socket, and you should be good.